To measure blood oxygen level using the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, first of all, you have to go to the health application on your phone, go to the Watch Fit 5 Pro, and you have to go for health monitoring. And what you have to do, go for this automatic SpO2 and simply turn it on, so it will also make this measurement automatically. Now, if you want to do this right now on your watch, you have to wear this properly, so one finger away from your wrist bone. And also tied it like this, so your watch will not move when you rotate your hand. Now click here and search for SpO2, tap on it once and click for measure. Now as you can see, it will take around 15 seconds to get the final result. And do not move your hand. Now it's using this light that will go through your skin and check how it performs. But you can also find the heart rate for this measurement and how it looks for any hour in the day.